starting with number 10. News Corp in the spotlight. Rupert Murdoch's company has agreed to buy an Australian broadcaster, Cons Media, in a $2 billion deal, which would give Murdoch full ownership of Fox Sports in Australia. A rival company, Seven Group Holdings, is seeking clearance to make a counter offer. Dom?
Yeah, number 9, Betty, technology. Intel, the company cut its third quarter forecast and withdrew its full year forecast on gross margin and sales. Intel is citing weaker than expected demand in what it calls, yes, a challenging macroeconomic environment, Matt.
I will stick on the technology tip. Number 8, Facebook, the social network, is likely to be added to the NASDAQ 100 index, which was a negotiating point in NASDAQ's battle for Facebook's listing. That went well. The New York Post is writing about this. Shares of Facebook are trading above $19 a piece. Betty?
Always watching Facebook. Now we're watching not a stock, but a currency for your number 7. The euro getting a boost today, rising to its highest level against the dollar in more than 2 months. Those gains follow yesterday's ECB announcement calling for unlimited bond purchases.
And coming at number 6 is Deutsche Bank. The German financial giant is looking to reduce its staff by even more than the 1,900 positions already announced. That's according to a German newspaper, which also reported that the cuts are likely to come from the asset and wealth management units. Matt?
Number 5, one of my favorites, Lululemon. Shares of the athletic apparel company are trading higher in the pre-market as the company beats second quarter estimates and revenues. It is also forecasting third quarter earnings above analyst consensus. The company's gained almost 50% in market value this year. Betty?
Matt, I know you like your yoga. Now, number 4. Amazon, the world's largest online retailer, expanding in the UK, adding new offices and hiring 2,000 people to help speed deliveries. The investment has put a dent in the company's earnings, though. Amazon expects a third quarter loss of up to $350 million, all after its unveiling of the new Kindles yesterday. Dom?
Yeah, well, from Kindles to groceries, Kroger, the grocery store chain, boosting its full year earnings forecast after the company beat second quarter share estimate forecasts here. But revenues fell shy of analyst estimates here. Shares are trading at a 2-month high right now in the pre-market, Alex.
And number 2 is JPMorgan. The bank is in the spotlight again, as it says, to face a Senate probe into its derivative bets that led to about $6 billion in losses this year, and that's according to people briefed on the inquiry. JPMorgan's market value has dropped over $22 billion since the trading position was reported back in April. Betty?
And the number 1 stock that we are watching this morning is Pandora. Shares of the online radio station are sinking in the pre-market after this report from the Wall Street Journal said that Apple is seeking licensing for a custom radio service that would rival Pandora. Apple's service would work on all of its platforms and possibly also on Microsoft-based devices as well.